Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see making of resin mobile cover that is in the color black and gold in gold flakes. So that is what you're going to see. And first of all, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and drop a like. So first off, I am just going to pour one layer of black epoxy pigment, that is black epoxy pigment mixed in with epoxy resin. The resin is from Epoxy Art India and the pigment is from Resin Era. So I'm just mixing both the hardener and the resin needed, and I'm pouring it onto the mobile case. Always make sure you're getting a case that has raised edges so that your resin doesn't flow off and you don't have to tape the sides. If this is the case, if you have a raised edge, you don't have to tape the case around the corners. But if you want to be safe, you can, but I usually don't tape the sides because I find that to be the thing is, I usually get very lethargic if I have tape and I miss spots, and the resin usually flows down, which I don't like at all. So if I don't tape it, I'm extra careful, and that works for me the best. And this is actually a mobile case with pop socket, both in the same design. So I haven't posted anything in here for the longest time ever, and what I'm doing is for those tiny places, I'm taking the resin in a toothpick or a skewer, and I'm just going to place them around the edges so that it is much more easier to work with, because a thicker popsicle stick might actually make the resin go over the sides. And I'm just again pouring plain black color resin on the pop socket base as well. So what I usually do is, with this particular design, I pour black resin and I just let it cure for 24 hours, and then I take the gold flakes, tear them apart, and then place them on the surface. Usually that works if you want to have a good amount of flakes that are not bunched up, that are not probing out of your phone case. So in order to have a pretty smooth surface, I do that. And this is not any crushed gold flakes. This is actually sheets, I believe. I have 100 sheets that I bought off of AliExpress a long time ago, and it is still in use, and I always use that for my gold. I wish AliExpress was working. I know how people feel about made in India, but then you can't beat the prices that they give. And as a beginner and as a new person who who's so small, you just have to find the best deals economically than made in India stuff. I understand the emotion behind it, but I prefer AliExpress. But then now that it's not there, you get these gold flakes here locally as well. A lot of brands actually provide it, and one small bottle is enough. The resin that I'm using is from Epoxy Art India, and they also have flakes. I ordered their silver flakes and I use it. So it's a good thing that brands are doing that as well. Not just resin and pigments, they give all types of things you need for your resin art. Do let me know if you are interested in knowing the brands that provide everything, like one stop shop for everything. There are a few brands that do that. They carry almost everything, like resin, pigments, bases, that is MDF for clogs, trays, etc., as well as molds, the sticks, all the other jazz like clay inserts, etc. So even they do carry heat guns and flame torches, all of that. So let me know if you're interested in knowing a list of brands that just have to go to that brand and you'll probably end up getting a lot of stuff from them because they have everything. If you're a beginner and you want brands that are beginner friendly as well as carries everything in one place, because we all know shipping is expensive. So yeah, so this is again, I just mixed few bits of gold into the resin as well, not just the ones that I've kept on the surface, but also I've mixed a few into the resin, and I'm just pouring clear resin on top of this. This is just a no-brainer design. It is so quick and easy. I did this in like 2 days. Yeah, exactly, it took me just 2 days to make this particular phone case, and the hardest part is always getting the phone cases. That is the hardest part of them all. Sourcing it, making it is a easier job. So yeah, hope you all like this video, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below, and also you can leave your suggestions in the comments, and you can follow me on Instagram at uniqueart101. It is on the screen, you could see it in the bottom. So that is my Instagram ID, and if you want the link, it will be down in the description. I am currently doing 100-day painting challenge, so I just don't do resin, I also do acrylic painting, and I'm stepping into watercolor today. That is now in a few minutes. After this voiceover, after editing the video, I am going to do a watercolor painting, so wish me luck. So if you want to see everything else, what is happening and everything, just give me a follow on Instagram. I am about to start a Skillshare class as well, like tutorials. So you would want to follow me for every update. And what else? If you're an artist and if you're watching this, and if you're from India, I do make gold resin insert sheets, so you could DM me for that as well. Yeah guys, stay safe, stay home, and if you are bummed that you can't get supplies, it's okay, everyone's going through the same thing. So just relax, everything will fall into place. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye.